In the world of education, we often have to investigate and research situations to truly have an understanding for what is taking place. It is important that we explore how students learn. Educators must use research, such as experimental design research, to support their reasoning behind why or how they are teaching students. We must be able to understand our students' learning, and experimental research can help us do that. Experimental design research directly connects to the field of education in many ways. This research, that's often used in education, determines a cause and effect relationship between variables. There have been many studies done with experimental research in education. Some of those studies being focused on behavior, goal setting, violence in schools, effects of technology on learning, professional development in regards to student learning, and there are many more topics that have been studied. More specifically, at my school, in Cherokee County School District at Blacksburg Middle, we use a program called Positive Behavior Intervention Support, or otherwise better known as PBIS. This is a research-based program, and lots of experimental design research has been done to back or support this program. So those are just some ways that we can see how the experimental design research does connect to education.